how to use Microsoft Teams for project management. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Microsoft Teams for your project management. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So for those of you who don't know what Microsoft Teams is, Microsoft Teams is a collaborative tool that can help you organize your teams, organize your tasks, your projects, all of them. And it's a pretty cool tool to use, and it is free as well. Now, there is a pricing plan and some paid features, but we will get into later. Over here, we can see some of the features that it has. So we can see there's communications, there are meetings, there are calls, the collaborators, there's chat functionality within them. Over here, we have some different tools or different plans for teams. So we have the business plan, we have the team essentials, team rooms, team phones, team premium. For home, it's going to be free, as you can see right here. A team for personal use, it's going to be free, and it is also available in Microsoft 365 family. We have the enterprise and the education as well. So you can see it's a pretty cool software, and you can use it by just simply go ahead and signing up on it and just downloading it over here. As you can see, it says right here, you got to download it, and I've already downloaded it. So I'm going to show you how it looks like in a second, and let's get into it. So here we have these three plans right here. So this is for the business plan. If you were wanting to buy the business plan, it would cost you $4 per user per month. And in it, you would get up to unlimited group meetings, up to 30 hours, and for 300 participants, which is pretty cool. 10 gigabytes of cloud storage per user, real-time collaboration with file sharing tasks and polling, team meeting recording with transcripts and live captions as well, which is pretty cool. And you get the standard security with data encryption of meeting, chat, calls, and files. And you also get the Microsoft 365 Copilot available as an add-on. This is available on all three plans. And then you have the business basic, which is going to be $6 per month. In it, you get everything from the previous plan, but instead of 10 gigabytes, you get 1 terabyte of cloud storage per employee, which is quite insane. You get to have custom business emails such as you@yourbusiness.com. You get web and mobile versions of the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, and plus additional apps for your business needs such as Booking Planner, Microsoft Forms, and others. And you also get atomic spam and malware filtering, anytime phone and web support, and Microsoft 365 Copilot available as an add-on. And then you have the business standard, which is going to be $12.50 per user per month. And in it, you get everything in the previous, but you also get the desktop version of Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook, webinars and attendees registration and reporting. You get the new collaborative workspace to co-create using Microsoft Loop, which is their new collaborative software, video editing and design tools like Clipchamp, and you also get the Microsoft 365 Copilot as an add-on. So keep that in mind. This was, of course, for the business plan. If you go with the home plan, the price is going to be different. So here you can see it's free. You get up to 60 minutes, up to 100 participants in group calling, unlimited chat and with family and friends, collaborative planning and tasking and polling, 5 gigabytes of cloud storage, data encryption for meeting, chats, calls, and files. And if you want the Microsoft 365 personal, in it, of course, it's the Microsoft 365 plan. You get all the 365 applications and service, but you also get, this is for one person, you also get increased timing in group calls up to 30 hours and 300 participants like the business one. You get the premium versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Mac for PC, Mac, web, and mobile. 1 terabyte of cloud storage, ad-free emails, calendar, contacts in one place. You get creative tools for writing like design and graphics, advanced grammar, spelling, and editing support, and you get online technical support for duration of subscription and access to the latest updates and news features as well. And you also get live captions for meeting, which is pretty cool. So this one is for Microsoft 365 family. You can buy it for $10, but it is for up to 6 people, so you can get this, and you get everything in the premium plan, including the 1 terabyte cloud storage. It is going to be a total of 6 terabyte of cloud storage, but it's going to be divided up to per person, so 1 terabyte per person. So it's the same as this one, but it is for 6 people, and you get everything from the previous and over here as well. So it depends on you. We're going to be sticking up with the free plan, so just simply going to download Teams. So you can download by clicking on the download button over here and clicking on the download manager. I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and here we go. So as you can see, it's all installed right now, and let me just make it a little bit bigger. There we go. So this is Microsoft Teams. nothing to see much over here, but here is on the left hand side some options where you have calendar, you have chats, you have community, and you have activity. In it, you can go ahead and add your own events in the calendar. Here you can go ahead and see that I had created an event later on, but over here you can go ahead and create different events, right? Here you will have chats, here you will have all the contacts that you have in your phone, in your computer, and you can chat with them. And here is the community. So here I've already created a simple community. I'll show you how you can create it later on, but here is where you get the main stuff. So here in communities, you create different channels. In those channels, you can create different posts and people can interact with the posts that you've added into your community. So over here, I've already created it, but when someone creates a post over here, as you can see, I created this event. People can come over here, interact with it, like it, comment on it. Since I made this, I can edit it, but other people can't. Over here, you will have a view conversation button. Here, people can go ahead and create conversations of this post, of this event, completely separate from anywhere. Here you have files, so you can upload different files and photos over here as well. So any photos that or files that are automatically uploaded into the community are going to be available over there. So for example, if I click on these three buttons, I can go ahead and manage some of the settings for my community. We have community bot, leave community, edit community, manage community, invite members, share the join link, and notification option as well. And here we can create community bots and everything. So over here, to make a post, all right, we click on this post button, and here is the announcement button. But before that, let me just show you how you can create a new community, right? So to create a new community, you just click on this button right here called this plus button. It'll allow you to create your own community. Now, you can either create my own community or you can choose some of these templates, if you will. There's the school community, the business, the professional, the sports, the life events, youth organization, neighborhood, volunteering, and parents and gaming. Let's select gaming for this one. Right over here, we can write a small description about this community. We can either require approval to join. So, right, community owners must approve the new members before they join. We can do that. Or we can go with public. I'm going to turn this on for now. And over here, after that, these are some of the community guidelines. You can go ahead and change them up if you want to. But once it's done, just simply click on create. Give it a couple of seconds. And there you go. It's as simple as that. Over here, you can set up your community by either inviting people, creating a welcome message, and creating new events. So let's go ahead and invite some people. We click on this button, and over here we enter the names, emails, or phone numbers, and then we click on invites. Or if you want, you can just simply copy the invite link. I couldn't add the person over there because I'm using a temporary email address, and if there is any user that is not available over here, it won't find any matches. So make sure that they are actually on Teams. So yeah, make sure that they are on the platform before inviting them. And once you've done that, you should be good to go. Then you can move on to the next one, which is a welcome message. So here you can set up your own welcome message. Here you can change this image to any other image you want. Well, not any other image, over onto these images that you can see over here. So we're going to select this galaxy type of image, click on save. And then we're going to edit the message as well. So whenever someone comes over here, joins the community, they'll be welcomed by this message right here. And then we have create a new event. So here we can create new events. So to create an event, all you got to do is make sure to add the title, select the date when this event is taking place. It does whether it repeats or not, add the location, and add the detail of this event, and whether or not it's an online event or a offline event. I accidentally opened up the meeting options, but here you will be able to add the meeting settings as well. There's not a whole lot of settings, only a couple of them. So let me just show you real quick. So here are basically the two options that you will get. Who can bypass the lobby? People who were invited, only me or everyone, or who can present? Everyone, only me, Once that's done, just simply click the save button and your meeting settings will be saved. So then what you can do is add the description and then just simply click on send, and your event will be created and it will be sent into the group chat or the community chat, and you are good to go. So here let's go ahead and replace the image. If you already have your own image, you can upload it over here. So I'm going to upload this one right here. This looks pretty cool. And we are going to go ahead and say this is the title. Since this is a gaming channel, we're going to be holding a gaming event. So let's say this is going to be a Ghost of Tsushima. This is like a marathon, right? And it takes place on Friday at 5:30 a.m. Actually, it takes place at 10 a.m. That's the best time to play a video game, and all day, all the way to 12 hours, right? So 12 hours, if you want, you can click the all day, every day option, and there we go. So once that's done, we should be good to go. So now what we're going to do is over here, add the description. We don't need to add the location since it's already over here, but if you want, you can add it. And over here, you can add the description of the event. And once that's done, just simply click on the send button. And over here, you can invite people to the event. And over here is going to be your event, and just copy it. And there you go, close it, and you should be good to go. So here you can see the event has been created. And over here, since you've copied the link to your event, you can go ahead and go into your chat settings or contacts and send all of your friends the event, and they can go ahead and join the event. So there you go. Now, let's say you want to go ahead and make a post over here, right? So click on the post button. Here you will be able to add the subject. So I'm just simply going to add my subject. Check out this edit. So over here, I'll just go ahead and add it. Here you can go ahead and add the message that you want, whatever it is. And here you can go ahead and attach the files. So this is going to be the plus button. Over here, you have the poll. If you click on this one, you can upload an attachment from this device or upload it to the cloud. Let's select upload from this device, and then just simply select the upload you want. So let's go ahead and select this one. We have it right here. As you can see, it's uploading. So we'll give it a couple of seconds. And over here, we'll write our message, and we can also make it bolder, italic, and we have other text option as well. We can even add like a quote over here if you want. We have this link option where we can insert a custom link within this one, and we can even add an code snippet as well. So once you've done that, click on post, and there you go. Now we have made it a post. Now whenever someone checks out the post or sees the post, they can go ahead and interact with it and start a conversation within it, a separate conversation within the community. And over here, we can reply to that community as well. And over here, if we click on it, you can go ahead and play the post that you've added right here onto OneDrive where it is going to be uploaded. So now what we can do is now we can go ahead and create an announcement. So if you didn't know how to create an announcement, over here, you can create it. And of course, I just wanted to show you all the files are going to be uploaded like so. So keep that in mind. So click on announcement, and over here, you can add your headline. So this is going to be an announcement to the community, and you can type whatever it is that you want. And here, type in, let's say this is a announcement for a new YouTube channel. So we can just type in YouTube, and over here, you can go ahead and add like a subheading. So, and we should be good to go. And type in your message, whatever you want. Also notify via email. And over here, we'll add our emojis and click on post. That is a announcement right there. So pretty cool, pretty simple. It's a community, of course. People could come over here, make posts, make announcement, talk to each other, hold events. And over here, you have some other options as well, like manage community. If you click on these settings, you can manage your members over here. You will have the list of all the members that you have in your community. Here you can go ahead and click on set nickname. You can set whatever nickname that you want over here for yourself. Here are going to be the members requests. So all the requests that you get are going to be available over here. You can choose which one to respond to, which one to accept, which one to delete. It depends on you. And then we have the blocked option. Here you will find all the blocked community members that you recently blocked. And here you have the settings option. In it, you can create a new link to invite people. All right, existing community links and QR codes will be deactivated, and allow members to share a link to this community, or you can turn it off and only you can share a link to this community. It depends on you. And another cool thing that you can do is you can change this background image. It's quite dull, so I'm going to change it. Click on that pencil tool and change the banner image to, oh, let's find something exciting. Well, nothing really is. I wish there was a way to customize. There we go. We can upload our own images as well. I was about to say we can't. Sorry about that. But let's go ahead. I was about to say we can't, but thankfully we can. So let's go ahead and upload our own images. So let me see. This is a portrait image. I don't know if it would look good. It does not look good. So let's go ahead and upload this one. I think this would look good. Yep, that looks a little bit better. We can't change the positioning, but it is what it is, I suppose. So yeah, next we have the activity center. Of course, here you will be able to mention reactions, and all the notifications that you would normally get are going to be over here. You can see the filter as well, and these are the settings option over here. So here you have the appearance and accessibility, notification and activity options are going to be over here. People and devices are over here. In appearance over here, you can see we have the sign language view. So signers will appear larger on screen throughout your meetings. This meeting only affects your view. So this is pretty cool if you want to go ahead and do this. There are animations as well. If you want to turn them off, you can as well. And over here, you can change the theme through light, dark, high contrast as well. High contrast looks weird. So we're going to, let's go ahead and say, oh, light is pretty light. So we're going to keep it dark. Sorry about that if you were viewing it in night. Didn't mean to ruin your eyes. And then we have the general tab. So here you can have like a new window. So basically opening content in Teams. So either you can open incoming notifications and links in the main window or in a new window. I generally like new windows. So if I get a new income message, I just click on the notification and a small little window would pop up and I can, read it and then get back to the main window, whatever I'm doing. So I think that's pretty good. So we can go ahead and do that. Auto start. I don't want to auto start Teams as of right now, so I'll leave it at that. But yeah, over here is going to be your mobile device. You can link your mobile device to Teams, so it will send and receive SMS from your Android and mobile devices right inside your Teams. Features won't be available for SMS and chat including. So if you want to link your phone, click on the link button. It's going to set up over here. Give it a couple of seconds. And over here, just scan the QR code and you are good to go. You're going to be able to link it on your phone as well, which I think is pretty cool. There's also this Teams Insider program, which will allow you to get access to updates before everyone else. This is like their beta testing options, like some programs have their beta testers that get quick access or early access to stuff so that they can go ahead and find some other stuff. So over here, you can leave the Insider program at any time. Previews are provided as is with all faults and as available. So your use of this preview version is subject to Microsoft Teams Insider program. So this is, of course, basically like a beta testing program. So if you want to go ahead and join it, you can go ahead and join it and you should be good to go. And also, if you were wondering, if you want to go ahead and upgrade your plans, you can upgrade them by just simply clicking on a plans and upgrade. And here you can see some of the benefits. So over here, plus get even more benefits with the 365. Even though I have 365 right here, which is pretty cool, I would suppose. I have it right here. Maybe I don't have the premium version of it. I don't know, but I don't see Teams over here. So, which I think maybe not included in this plan, but oh, there we go. Sorry about that. So there is Teams, but I can open it up in another tab, but it doesn't do anything. So I suppose that's something that you can do. So if you want to upgrade it, you can upgrade that over there as well. But yeah, so basically these were all the things that you actually needed to know about Microsoft Teams and how you can go ahead and use it. So pretty simple. This is how you do it. That is how you use Microsoft Teams. And of course, you can use it for project management as well. Over here, you can, basically go ahead and create a separate channel for your, business. So we have business. They're basically all similar. All right. The only real difference that you will find are the images. Other than that, they're all very similar. So again, very similar. Just you can name different channels with different communities with different names so that, you can differentiate it, but they're all basically the same thing. There's nothing really to define them. But yeah, this is how you do it. This is how you use Teams. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.